Okay, good day everyone. Good day, sir. I am the presenter of Brunner's main concepts. So, the first main concepts of Brunner's is the representation. Brunner suggests the ability to represent knowledge in three stages. These three stages also become the three ways to represent the knowledge. So, Brunner suggests the knowledge to represent the knowledge in three stages, which are the inactive representation, iconic representation, and symbolic representation. So first, the inactive representation. At the early stage, children will learn about the world through actions on physical objects and the outcomes of these actions. It means that in the early stage of children, they gain knowledge through the physical objects and the result or the outcomes of this action. For example, um, what the outcome of the objects that I mean uh, the object that contains I I mean machinery objects. So the children will learn through the process of the machines and the outcomes of those actions. So on seeing the process, the children also learn the process and the actions of that machine. Ah, basta mas maka-gain og knowledge ang children or ang mga bata basta makita nila ug unsay outcome. Basta mo na akong gimin. Then the second representation is the iconic representation. This second stage is when learning can be obtained through using models and pictures. It simply means that the learner or the children's will learn through the models or pictures in what they see. So, for example of this is um, looking pictures on their wall or their room. They will learn through pictures like alphabets in the wall or something like that. Then lastly, the representation, symbolic representation. So in this third stage, the learner has developed the ability to think in abstract terms. Uh, Symbolic representation, we can see in or we can use this in language and mathematics. For example, mathematics use we know that mathematics use many symbols. So it means that if the children know the symbolic representation or they develop this ability, they can easily mm, solve or understand the mathematics solving or mathematics equation. And also written language or letters, we know that letters is also a symbolic. So it means that if symbolic representation, if the learners develop the symbolic representation, they can easily understand and use it. That's all. Thank you.